in combination with a SWAT. So you see, she's cycling me. The reason why she's cycling me, because she understands that I'm handing with a gun and someone can come and pick up the gun from me. So now she is in work mode. You see, I didn't say anything. Ermia, Emta. At this moment, it's a SWAT. Why it's a SWAT? Because I want my hands to be free. I don't want to hold any leash. So wherever I go, it's a one part of my body. Okay? Most of you know how to work with the handgun, right? So whenever I do or wherever I do, it's coming with it. With the dog is physically my third leg. So when we're going, I want my back to be protected. So she's protecting now my front, but my handgun is protecting the front. So switch and Emta. Now she is protecting my back. Anything I did in front, now in rear. You see? No words.
אין פקודות, אין פקודות, מתרגם.
No commands.
Emta. You got it?
עובדת בשקט.
You got it? Emta, it's middle in Hebrew. Because I want to let her understand what happened. So now, Ragli, left side, Emta, middle side, Leyad, right side, everything, the dog is vertical. Switch, other side, Emta, switch, Emta, Ragli, 8. You saw it? 8. Which means the dog can operate in every function. Now, why the dog is working in the middle? Emta. Lower. I'm thinner.
עושה שף, ארצה, ראש
I'm
למטה.
thinner. Now, so what happened? Because I want my freedom. Rosh, head down. Platz. Ragli. Emta.
אני מכיר למה.
ראש למטה, פלץ. ראש למטה. I can sit on the dog, nothing happened. You understand? Now if I... You get it? No, hands free. The most important thing in every police officer, security guard, SWAT team, hands free. The dog need to operate with the handler, not the handler with the dog. Now when you see American SWAT working with dogs, what are they handling all the time? Leash. That human which holding the leash is disabled. He's disabled. Now why you have a dog if you can't work? So that's the concept we're evolving in here. Autonomous. No words. He's working alone. Now, what we're about to do now is to showing how we can bring back a lost weapon. But in a situation when someone is shooting over. Okay? Platz. Schal. 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 Schal.
It's low crawling.
Schal. Back. Ugly. Control. Earpiece in the dog. Fetch. Fetch. Stand. Platz. Sitz. Sitz. Switch. Switch. Stand. Reverse. Reverse. reverse, אמצע. טובה של אבא. טובה של אבא. מרק. See? She didn't touch the weapon. Maybe it's explosive. Fetch! ביד. In the hand.